Hi, I'm Alison Morrow with your DNR Report. Much of Washington State's forests cover a patchwork of landowners, from federal and state agencies to tribes and private landowners like timber companies. And that can make forest health management a complicated process. But this 90,000-acre forest project near Newport is setting out to prove that partnership is not just possible, it's necessary.
They're competing for the same resources and dying out, and so you have basically a lot of fuel.
Years of fire suppression and other management challenges have left it overly dense, full of diseased trees and prone to wildfire.
We live in an environment that is dominated by disturbance, and those disturbances, when they occur in health conditions like this, tend to be catastrophic in nature.
This video shows the Tower Fire, which burned more than 26,000 acres back in 2015, too close for comfort to the Kalispel Tribe, which decided it was time to act.
Protecting those protects the tribe's opportunity and access to resources that they care about, that they live in. It's their backyard. It's places where they hunt, fish, and prey. And so it's important to protect those resources for the tribe in the long term.
The restoration work will include both land and aquatic projects.
Improve water quality, will increase resiliency against wildfire and disease, and generally provide a much better place for all of us.
The name of the project is Sxwuytn, which is a Kalispel word for literal translation trail or connections.
And the hope is that the connection of the project's namesake will symbolize many parties coming together for one common goal.
It was very clear to all of us that this landscape, even though it would be complicated to work within because of all this mixed ownership, it was super high importance for all those reasons.
The first step is analyzing what work needs to be done, then presenting that to the public and stakeholders to begin that collaborative process. The work will likely last at least 15 to 20 years.